Hello friends, today we are going to see how can we done this profile, this part drawing in AutoCAD. Okay, so first, what is this? There is a 50 mm diameter or 90 mm diameter. Okay, 50 mm diameter is normal circle arc, or 90 mm diameter is a center arc. Okay, so first I want to take 50 mm diameter. I will take 3.30. Okay, I want 50 mm diameter. You can just zoom it. Okay, or I want 50 mm diameter. Okay, I will on this value. Or object snap setting, select all. Okay, okay. Our first option I will come. I want to display colors to be set meter. Okay, there is okay, color is okay, no problem. I want black. Okay, apply and close. Okay, so this is our diamond 50. So now I will take one center arc, center line type. Okay, okay, okay. I want 90 diameter. Okay, so I will take diameter of the 90 like that. 90. Okay, you can see. Now what I want to do, there is a one line about first what is this, that diameter is 150. Okay, 150 diameter I will take it by layer. Okay, so this is our diameter. Now what I want to do, there is a 20 mm distance. Okay, so I will take one line about this through this I will on or like that. Okay, enter, escape. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to do offset about 10 mm or like that. This side, enter, 10 mm, enter, or like that. Okay, so now what's my plan, I want to take radius about R10. Okay, so I will take radius in this point. What is the radius? Radius is R10 radius. I will take a. Okay, I will take R10 radius. You can see here. This is our R10 radius. Okay. So now what I want to do? I want to do trim. I will take trim. This is one I want. I don't want this, or this is also I don't want. Okay. You can see here. For now, what I have to do? There is a radius about R5. Okay. So what I have to do? I will just trim like that. Okay. This is also I will trim it. Okay, now I want to take split, select object, or I will take radius about 5, enter, like that. Okay, one more time I will take this part, I will take radius 5, enter, or this is okay. Okay, so now what I will do, there is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 session. So I will just polar array use or select object or enter. Okay, I will take center line. Okay, this is our 6 has been come, then I will close array. Okay, so now what is my work, I will just trim it. This part I will trim, or this part I need to trim. You can see here. Okay, so that is our part, you can see at that time. So what I have to do now, what I want to do, I will delete this part. Okay, this is my mistake I have done. So I will take this, or I will just by layer I will use, or I will change the color like that. Okay, or I will take diameter about 90. Okay, you can see here I will take 90 diameter. So this is our proper drawing, you can see. Now I want to do dimension. First depress enter. I will modify our text size. I will modify 2.5. There is I want 4 mm. Okay. Arrow size I want 3 mm is enough for that. Okay. Our primary unit I will trailing on. Okay. Close by layer. This is our line. I want to change color like that, or I will take yellow color. Okay. So now what I want to do, I want to take first diameter. Okay. First I will take diameter. This diameter I want. You can see uh, this side. Okay. Diameter. Enter. I will take this way. This pipe or like that I will show. So okay. I will just inside I will show. Okay. You can see. Now what I have to do, there is a distance form. So I will show the distance about this point to this point. Okay, so this is our distance. Now I want to show radius. Okay, I will take the radius. I will show a radius this point. Okay, take Control Z. I want to show this point radius. You can see this side. Okay, you can show. Now what I have to do, there is a radius about R5 or R10. Okay, so inside is R10 radius. This is our radius point R10. Okay, escape I will take. You can show like it. Okay, one more time I will take enter, or this face I will show. Okay, you can see here. So our things has been completed as well as possible. Okay, so there is a 60 mm degree. So how I will show the 60 mm degree, I will take one line about this point to this point. Okay, I will change the color like blue color. Okay, this is our line. Enter. One more time I click, or about I will off this point or this point to straight I want. Okay, okay, I will escape click, or I want angular dimension. Now how I will do this color, I will take yellow color. Okay, so angular dimension I will take it. So this is our 60 mm, you can see. Okay, so our dimension has been completed as well as. Okay, so this drawing has been completed. Thank you for watching my video, or subscribe my channel.